All right, it's hard to believe, but in just a few weeks, the kids are going to be heading back to school. It is a busy time, and sometimes breakfast is the last thing you want to worry about.
We're learning how to make something quick and easy that everyone will enjoy.
Sarah Ricci of Cooking with the Riccis, a local blog, a local food blog, is joining us, and she brought her little son Darren with us today. We're so excited to have you guys.
Thank you. Back to school, back to school.
I can't believe what we're talking about. It's good to see you too. Hey, Dad, how are you?
Good.
Kate, stop watching yourself on television, because otherwise you'll be distracted the whole time. Give me a high five. Woohoo! All right, so we're making something quick and easy.
We are. We're so excited. We're making sheet pan eggs.
Sheet pan eggs.
Yep. So as a mom, as parents, as just anyone really, you want a hot breakfast when you go to school or you're rushing out the door to work.
There's nothing better than a hot breakfast.
Yeah.
Unless it's ice cream at your place.
That's right. I never have time for hot breakfast, so I'm interested.
So this is an easy way to make some eggs so that we get some protein in the morning before we head out the door.
Okay.
Sheet pan eggs. Darren has been whisking away 6 eggs here in this dish.
Darren, whisk away.
You've been whisking away? Let's see your whisking
skills.
And Darren is 5 years old, and he's actually going into first grade.
He is.
Is that young for first grade?
You know what? He's going to turn 6 at the end of August.
Oh, okay.
So he'll be right on track.
Perfect, perfect.
So in addition to the 6 eggs, we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of milk. And this is just kind of like making a pizza, which makes it fun for the kids. You know, we're putting everything in a pan, we're baking, we're doing it together. Whisk away.
Great job.
And it's like toppings. So you can do meat lovers. We'll do half ham. We can do half veggie. We've got some diced peppers. We've got some chives, and we really can just mix it up. So that's all it is in the base. It's just the eggs and the milk.
Okay.
Good? Good job.
And Sarah, we go to Sarah Ricci for your food blog, right?
That's right. You can check out tons of tips and tricks for not only breakfast to get you out the door, but also some lunch ideas.
Which is just great.
And a bunch of other fun stuff.
Right here in Connecticut.
We are. We're right here in Connecticut. So sprinkle our toppings on, just like we're making our pizza.
That's so easy. That's so simple so far.
Yeah, it's so easy. So if you want to help, we can get in there. It can be a team effort.
Darren, you want to help me?
I like this. He's going right for the chives.
I mean, who doesn't love chives, right? So we do this, we bake it in the oven for 11 minutes on 375 degrees.
Okay, so it's baked.
It's baked. And then we take it out, and then we put on tons of cheese, right? Because we all love cheese.
Everybody loves cheese. And that's another source of protein, right?
It is, it is.
It's a little source of calories, but, you know.
At this point, it doesn't matter.
Exactly.
What's our favorite cheese to put on?
A Jack.
A Jack.
A Jack cheese.
Yeah.
But I only want to eat Jack cheese.
You only want to eat Jack cheese?
All right.
All right, very good.
So we bake it for 11 minutes on the 375. We take it out. We sprinkle it with all that Jack cheese. We put it back in the oven for 2 minutes.
Some ham?
2 minutes.
Yeah, we want some ham on there too. And it comes out nice, bubbly, and hot. And we have a finished product right over here for you to check out.
Which is really remarkable. I'm going to move this over here.
Yeah. So it comes out, and just like a pizza, you can cut it into squares.
It's so thin.
It's thin, so it makes a nice egg sandwich. We can put 2 for an egg sandwich, and you can put some like fresh guacamole on the bottom, or like smashed avocado, and a slice of tomato.
Sarah, you've given me a great idea, because I could probably make this at the beginning of the week, and then just put it in the refrigerator.
Exactly.
And then microwave it, and I'm ready to go.
Exactly.
My kid's breakfast is now complete for
a whole week.
The week.
This is wonderful.
Yeah.
All right, and then you put it on an English muffin, or you can just eat it regularly.
However you want. So we've got a couple ways here. I always like it with a fresh tomato, and I love avocado, so we put the avocado on it, right?
Ham on there.
Yeah, put some ham on. Sarah wants some ham on here.
So this is with the avocado?
Yep. No, that's with the tomato.
Tomato, okay.
So you guys can dig in there, but you've got the concept right. You know, you make this, you've got it to go for the week. This is on a half pan, so as you can see, we're only working with a half sheet. If you don't have a half sheet and you just have like the regular full-size sheet pans, just double the recipe. So 12 eggs, half a cup of milk, you get the idea.
It's easy enough. I don't need to. I feel like I could make it more than once a week if I needed to.
I'm giving it a shot.
Get in there, it's real good. So
me try?
we have breakfast.
I don't know if I could do the whole.
I didn't use the fork.
No, that's okay. It will. I'm not as fancy as you.
That's wonderful.
It's good, right? The chives? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we have breakfast, we get out the door, we got to think about lunch, right? Mm-hmm. So back to school, staying organized. We've got so much to think of as parents, and just getting everybody where they need to be, keeping organized. I've got so many great things that we use to stay organized.
Let's do
so
it.
Snack bags, we can move down here.
I'm interested in this. This is my wheelhouse.
Stasher bags, have you ever seen these?
No.
These are awesome. They're silicone bags, they're amazing. They have a seal and lock. You can cook in them, you can microwave in them, you can freeze in them.
Seriously?
Yeah, we make energy balls, we put them in here, we pop them in the freezer. If you want to microwave in them, you could save all your leftover eggs, put them in here, vent it, and then pop it in the microwave for like 30 seconds. And then you're good to go.
That's awesome.
And then you're not throwing a million baggies into the landfill.
Exactly.
So you're being really eco-friendly. These are amazing.
Always the
Terrific.
problem these days with the plastic ban, and everybody's very judgmental with the plastic. So.
I know. Well,
Yeah.
so now we got to start charging. Now they're
Now I have to
charging
be
for
that
plastic
parent.
bags.
That's right.
Exactly.
Lunch boxes.
That looks like a bento box.
These are bento boxes. They're amazing. It's by a company called Planet Box. They make these great lunch boxes. Darren loves them. They're his favorite. But they have all these
that's
different
cool.
containers where you can kind of store what you want, dipping sauces and sides. If you want something hot, if you're going to take soup, you can pack them in this. They've got carrying cases.
Where would you get something like that?
Planetbox.com.
Planetbox.com. All right, we only have about a minute left, so I
Okay,
want to make sure
we'll
we get to
through
everything.
it. Back to school supplies. Ollie, this company is absolutely amazing. You want to talk about this?
Yeah.
Yeah, so talk about it. You've got 30 seconds.
It's like a thingy. It's glue. It's like a glue thingy.
It's like a glue
It's like a
stick, but
glue?
it's paint. And it dries on contact, which is amazing. So teachers, if you haven't invested in these, they're great because no mess to clean up. They write on like a glue stick, but they're paint.
That's awesome.
Teachers and
Highlighters,
parents.
crowns, pens, and they have this awesome new line of monster erasers and pencils. They also have unicorns and a lot of other fun
And it's
stuff.
all by the same
girls.
company.
It's all by the same company, Ollie. They're absolutely amazing.
That is fantastic. Do you like those, Darren?
Yeah, because these can draw and stamp.
They can
Draw and stamp. It was one end was stamp and one end's a marker.
Yeah.
Ah, fantastic.
Okay. Well, fantastic. Well, thank you guys so much for being
Thank
on the
you.
show.
Thank you.
I'm going to continue to eat. Can we bake this?
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's
We can
just
bake
throw-
that. We'll eat the whole thing.
Just throw it. All right. You're going to find more recipes just like this one on Sarah's blog. It's cookingwithsarahricky.com.